Hey, it's time for some big news out of Canada's economy. And trust me, this isn't your everyday financial update. So, here's what just happened. Canada's economy actually shrank by 1.6% on an annualized basis in Q2 2025. That's a bigger drop than most economists expected. The main villain? Newly imposed tariffs from the US. They hammered exports and made businesses pull back on investing in new equipment. Exports dropped a hefty 7.5%. Exports of passenger cars, down almost 25%. Exports of light trucks, down almost 25%. Industrial machinery, down nearly 19%. Equipment exports also fell sharply. Travel services like tourism fell over 11.1%. The tariff war with the US really hurt. Markets didn't sit still. Bond yields dipped. The Canadian dollar, the loonie, weakened. Investors now think a Bank of Canada rate cut might be coming sooner. Not everything is doom and gloom. Domestic demand jumped 3.5% last quarter. Consumers spent more. Housing rebounded, led by new construction. Retail trade hit a record high in June. People in Canada are still out there buying and spending. Economists are split on what this means for policy. Some think a September cut is coming. Others say the data was broadly in line with the Bank of Canada's forecast, so no rush. A few economists still expect a first cut in September unless jobs data surprises to the upside. Watch the September jobs numbers. They could tip the scales. The bottom line? Trade tensions hit hard, but Canada's domestic side shows resilience. That said, wage growth is slow and the household saving rate fell. Savings rates are down as spending grew faster than incomes, but consumers are propping things up. Trade and investment were the main drags on the quarter. Yet final domestic demand jumped, showing the domestic economy is not collapsing. Easing trade tensions would reduce tail risks and tariff-driven inflation concerns. Some economists warn easing now could be a mistake. Others see room for cuts as slack builds. Surprising, complicated, and definitely not boring. Here's what to watch. Watch the jobs numbers, trade updates, and the Bank of Canada's next call. Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe for quick, clear economic headlines.